Hey, what is up guys? It's Anofan here from TechAply. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today this video, a long time ago I didn't make any videos, right? So I just come back with another video showing you guys or unboxing this Logitech B175. So let's get started. Okay guys, this is a Logitech mouse. This box will have a security stamp here saying easy work, and this also including the warranty stamp for 3 years hardware warranty. Okay, so what is inside? Let's go and check this out. Inside is a quite small size mouse. First one, this Logitech wireless mouse. Name of the mouse is Logitech B175. Black color, mainly black color, with the Logitech logo in white color on top of that. And the stripe here is in dark gray color. Okay, it has a scroller on top of that, which just help you to easily to scroll down when you're browsing the internet pages. On the bottom of the mouse, we will see and check out the inside of it. So when you open this up, and then you will see inside it there's one Logitech wireless USB receiver for the mouse. Okay, so it's designed like this way, so you don't have to be worried about losing this one. Every time after you use that, you can just put it inside here. Okay, so this is the battery for the mouse that power up the mouse or energize the mouse. So as for what I read on the description page, this battery is provided by the Logitech company, and as for using this battery, your mouse can be continuously using in around 6 months if you continuously using that without turning the battery, you know, the power button on and off here. But if you try to save the battery, save the energy for the mouse, then it can be using 6 to up to 12 months. Okay, one more feature on this Logitech B175 is the light, the optical light here. All optical here is, it's already stated in here, that is invisible, guys. Plug this mouse wireless receiver here in the laptop computer. So guys, now we're gonna go ahead and test the wireless mouse. Plug the receiver into your laptop plug-ins. Okay, and here's the mouse. I'm currently holding that. Okay, you can see that it's working now. Try to refresh the page to see what is that. Okay, so the click seems working okay for me. It's a right click, or both right and left clicks. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Anfan from TechAply, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.